Welcome back, my subscribers. All right, yes, for the future. Hit the like, hit the like, hit the like. We need you. All right. Today on Mad Brad's Customs, we are doing something. Yeah, I got a fever blister. I hadn't had one of them in a long time, but anyway, yeah, it's bad. So anyway, let's turn this phone around and I'll show you what's going on. Toyota Camry front bumper. That's right, this was a car that was gifted to us through an inheritance, and it's got low miles on it, so we figure might as well get her fixed up. The bumper, as you see, has been hit many a times. Not pointing no fingers at nobody, but the car didn't get driven at all hardly, but boy, it took some lackings. But anyway, I don't know whether I did a video on it, but this here is an Amazon $99 bumper. It was folded up in a box, put it out in the sun, and it popped right out just perfectly in place. Went to a junkyard to get one, fell down, knocked my shoulder out of a joint, put it back in. Cotton picking arm has been sore for 8 or 9 weeks. Old man just does not heal at all good. You know what I'm saying? At all. Oh, the doggy bark. What, you doing something you ain't supposed to? All right. So I got it painted the other day, and now we're getting ready to install it. Pretty easy on and off. Apparently Toyota knew that people go hit the front bumper because it was just maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts on the bottom, and 1, 2, one on each side at the top, and the rest of it clips in. Alrighty. Keep it watching and I'll show you what it looks like done. Almost. Yep, there's the finished product. Of course, the newer paint looks a little bit different than the older faded paint, but it was mixed by a paint store for this color code. I think once I clean it all up, it'll look good. I know you can't see it, but hey, that's a lot better than being beat all up. What do you think, Gunner? What do you think, Gunner? Does it look better? Yeah. All right, Mad Brad's Customs. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. We need you. Gunner, say bye. Gunner, say bye.